Hey guys, so we are doing a nature walk today. We kind of do a few at this time of year and then fizzle out as it gets colder. Today we're specifically looking for birds. The kids each have a clipboard with one of the papers from our bird watching journal, and then they each brought what's the word I'm looking for? Like a bird book, a field guide. They each picked one out. I've just found these ones thrifting, and we're going to observe birds, see what we can find. The toddler and baby are around, so I'm not sure how much they're going to scare them away. We've already seen ducks, geese, robins. I'm not sure if there's anything else. And we just barely got here. So we will kind of observe, and I'll take you along with us.
I'm looking to see if I can see that bird.
So you're looking for a specific bird. What are you looking for?
Well, we saw this bird. I don't know what kind it is. It looked sort of like a duck, I think, but it had a white stripe.
Yeah, so with male and female mallard duck, we saw another duck that has a white stripe. So you're going to look for that in your bird book?
Yeah.
See if we can find it? I think there's a bee's nest?
Yes.
Okay. I think we found it. It's a blue-winged teal. I've never heard or seen this before. But they are often the last ducks to arrive on the prairies in the spring. Interesting. I'm pretty sure that's what we saw. What kind of nest is that?
Oh, another. That one looks like a crow nest.
That one's pretty big, hey?
And that one looks like a finch or chickadee, since those are small, right?
I think they would be even smaller than that.
Maybe.
Yeah, you think so? So for the most part, my plan is just kind of to let the kids observe. They're finding nests and different birds and bugs and sticks. And then maybe when we get home, we will like fill out the bird watching page, or maybe actually when we're outside. Normally our Saskatchewan weather is like incredibly windy, and so filling out paperwork outside doesn't work. But it's really beautiful this morning. So maybe we'll do it out here. It's kind of play it by ear. Just see what we find and kind of take notes on that so we have a record, and it's kind of fun to look back on in years to come. Okay, so what did you all see?
I saw 3 nests.
Okay.
heard a bunch of bees.
Yeah, there's lots in there.
And then I think a few finches were creeping around in there.
Oh.
Since it's not exactly safe to fly. And then I saw what was a few gophers, like
Ooh.
2.
Saw a bunch of things. Good stuff. What did you see?
I don't know, something like a spotted sandpiper, I think.
Yes. We have those here quite often. Did you find the page?
Yeah.
Okay, so we just got home. We didn't write anything down while we were out and about, but we observed a bunch of different birds and bees and different little creatures. And so now the kids are going to fill in their bird watching journal, pick a bird that was most interesting to them, or they're each picking different ones, and then they're going to write a little bit about what they saw and possibly use the little bird guide to write down some other information that they learned about the bird.